Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to print selected area. So as example, I will create tables. You can go to insert, click tables and click OK. Now if you want to print in this table area, you can select and go to page layout, click on print area. Click set print area. Now it will be automatically set print area. And after it, you can go to file and you can click print. So you can see we have print the area. Okay, I will change again. Okay, I will set like into only at this area. Now you can go into page layout and then click print area, set print area. The next you can click file, print, and only the selected area are print. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to print selected area. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.